In case you haven't noticed, we are in hurricane zone. How many of you were here and evacuated in the last hurricane? What a pleasure that was. The funny thing about the disaster recovery and business owners is they never think it's going to happen to them. It's like a disease. It's like, yeah, I know that's out there. I know I shouldn't do that type of thing. I shouldn't, eat that thing or smoke that thing or whatever the case may be. But that won't happen to me. That'll happen to somebody else. True story. Last night, my wife and I are about to go out, and I get a text message from a former client. She's been trying to get me into her new company. She's in the mortgage banking industry. Used to be a hot industry. Remember when everybody was a mortgage banker? Probably most of your neighbors. At one time, we had 43 clients as mortgage banking companies. 42 of them went out of business. Very popular market. So she calls me, or she sends me a text, and she says, this is the actual text. It says, "Can you restore a server from a tape? If so, how?" Now, she's not a technical person, so I'm thinking, things not so good at work today. So I'm like, okay. I reply, I'm like, yes, you can. However, you will need a few things. One, you will need the original tape drive. Obviously, you can't put an LTO tape in a different type of DAT drive. So that's one. Second thing you need is you will need the software and the correct version that you use to create that data on that tape. That's the second problem. Do you have that? No. Okay, that's going to be a problem. Do you have another server? No. Okay. So I texted her, good luck. God bless you. Hope you have a paddle because you're in the Brown Creek. So then she texted me back later and said, I think they lost our accounting system too. I don't know how it turned out. I wasn't reading my email today, but I'm not looking for a happy ending when I go look at the email tomorrow. Were they in the cloud? No. They were back on that monolithic architecture where everything was in one office and it was stuck there.